Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to check the health of your laptop battery. Hit the start button and type CMD and right click on it and hit run as administrator. Click yes. And in command prompt you need to run the command power cfg/energy and hit enter. It will take some time and create a report of your battery health. Okay, as you can see, the reporting has been finished and it is showing the total errors, warnings and informational signs. And as you can see here, we can review the report in Windows System32 folder. Let's go to that folder and review the health report. We need to go to Windows and you can type energy to find the report. Double click the file and this report will show you a full health report of your battery and tell you how many cycles left in this battery. Okay guys, this is a pretty simple, straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.